Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of wait time in GeForce. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser on your device. I am using Google Chrome here and at the top in the search box, simply search for status.geforcenow.com. After that, hit the enter key and open the first website which you see in the results. Now once this website has been opened, go to the new tab and here you need to open another website. So type gfn.jortos.me. Hit the enter key and again open the first website which is available in the results. Once you open both these websites, using these you will be able to change your server and access GeForce and skip the wait time. It is suggested to use a European server for better service. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.